I have made over $15 million with dropshipping and e-commerce in the last 5 years. And no, it's not just picking a winning product, running some copied competitors' ads, and then somehow you're going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. There are 3 main factors that will help you get to your first $10,000, especially if you're starting from scratch with $0. But why exactly $10,000 a month? In my opinion, this is the amount of sales that shows that you've understood the basics of how dropshipping works. Many of my followers have asked me throughout the years, what is the best age to start your own business? If you're in your late teens and early 20s, you might think that you are too young and too inexperienced to start your own business. You might also not have a good budget saved up that will help you kickstart your journey. Let me tell you first of all, congrats to you thinking of starting your own business at such a young age. It doesn't just help you develop business skills, no, it will help you with your personal development, such as increasing your confidence, decision making, and building a valuable network around you. And when it comes time to your budget, stay tuned for the first important factor that will help you get to your first $10,000 a month that I'll show you shortly. Studies show that the ideal age to start a business is between the ages of 28 and 34. That's because they are likely to have some experience of management, completing projects, and operating in a business environment. Now, if you're between the ages of 25 to 50 years old, you may have most probably gained some experiences on your way and maybe also gathered a budget that will help you start your new journey in your life. So to sum it up, your ideal time to start a business is now. Just the fact that you're watching this video so far is a great indicator, shows that you're interested in starting something new and exciting in your life. So the first important factor that will help you get to your first $10,000 a month is developing important skills relevant to your e-commerce journey. Students like Mike, Eric, or Tom, who recently just hit their first $20,000 in sales within 2 months, all of them invested in sharpening their skills. The relevant skills you need today to succeed with dropshipping are the following: video editing to create amazing ads, being able to create compelling offers, and the ability to create a branded looking store, where me and my team will teach you exactly those relevant skills for completely free, and I'll also be giving away $25,000 with 100 guaranteed winners. And I want to repeat this again, the boot camp is completely free and I'm not going to try and sell you something later on. Now, going back to that $25,000 giveaway, I have never done this before and I'm not sure if I will ever do this in the near future again. This is your choice to see if you can stay disciplined for a month and see if you have what it takes to be a successful dropshipper by signing up for the bootcamp that is in the link below and in the pinned comment. Now let's move on to the second important factor that will help you make your first $10,000 online. Understanding how social media platforms work. Now, Facebook and TikTok get paid more the longer you stay on their platform. You need to create ads that entertain, educate, and make people engage with your creatives. Now, it's crucial that you have a group of people around you that are doing the same thing and they want to help you and inspire you to be great. A place where you can ask questions if you feel stuck with a problem on your journey. So now that you know all of this, it is difficult to implement this yourself without proper guidance. That's why I'm super excited for the bootcamp, where you'll have access to a video series teaching you the essentials for completely free. You'll get access to a private Discord chat, weekly calls with me and the mentors, and cheat sheets that will help you cover all the topics that we'll be teaching. Now, you might be wondering, why am I doing this? I do this because I want to give back to you guys. Having this YouTube channel changed my life and many others, and that's why I want to continue doing this. And the last thing that I'll leave you with is just think about not just yourself, but your wife, your husband, your loved ones, and think, is this an opportunity for me to change their life in the future? And if anyone ever asks you in life again, did you ever get given an opportunity? You can never now say, no, I have literally given you guys the biggest opportunity in 2024.